Guys, I wanted to show you this bamboo utensil set that the company sent me. I don't know about you guys. I really try to just like toss stuff when it starts to get gross and dirty. And, you know, this is one of those things where you could keep a set like this around for 15 years and 20 years even probably and not think about it. But I'm trying to like replace things with like, you know, a little bit better made product. Maybe like I like that this is eco-conscious because it's made out of bamboo. So it's going to, you know, it's just like a more sustainable product than plastic. Personally, also for me, I like to use, I don't love to use plastics when I'm cooking. So these are heat resistant. So you can use these in like hot water. Like, you know, like this is the spaghetti strainer. So, or like the scooper. So you could put this in like hot water. Whereas like if this was made out of plastic, you're going to be putting plastic into hot water. So, you know, to each their own, but like I personally like to use things that aren't plastic when I'm cooking. So you can use these in a non-stick pan. You can use them in like, as I said, the heat. I just clean them, you know, by hand and just let them air dry. But you could try putting them in the dishwasher. It's not recommended, but I just wipe them down right after I use them and just get whatever gunk off and then let it air dry. So this is everything you get in this set. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they're like a nice size. You get 7 pieces and then you do get the canister. So that's really nice. Everything that you need. You can, it also has the holes, which I like. So you can hang them if you wanted to. So it looks clean, simple. It's not too like flashy. It's going to go in any kitchen. Again, like if you need to replace something like this, this is a great option and definitely a really good value. I would go ahead and grab these.